Hello everyone. I thank everyone for providing the valuable feedbacks and the suggestions. I make a note of it and I try to improve the quality of the content in upcoming videos. I thank a lot. Today I'm going to teach you about how to set up the Visual Studio Code for Windows to execute the JavaScript environment. So let's dive into the course. First, you need to install the Visual Studio Code installer. So go to the Visual Studio Code website and so here you can see the download option for Windows. So you click on it, it will be downloaded in the preferable location. So choose your location. Okay, so we got the installer file, double click on it. So accept the agreement. So here we need to choose open with code. Why? Because we have the code file in our system, means we can right click and open with the code, means it will be directly open in Visual Studio Code. So you need to check that. Click on next. Okay, so the installation will be taken time. Let's wait for it. Okay, here we go. So once we click the finish button, our Visual Studio Code will be automatically open. So we can skip the welcome screen. Now we need to install the live server extension. So you can see left side fifth icon. So click on it. So I can see the live server extension in my suggestion. So I am go with that. So click on live server extension. Yes, that is. So once install, it takes some time. So why we need to install this live server means if we write any HTML content, means it will be automatically converted into the local host server. So it will be automatically rendered in our IP address. Hi, hope you like this video. See you on next lesson. Bye.